Finding the property was difficult. Instructions for checking in were received after arrival. Eventually I received 3 emails. Considering I was told I had apparently provided a different one from mine, it was surprising to say the least.
There was a lot of noise from air conditioning systems of nearby restaurants and offices as early as 7 a.m. on a Saturday. It was overlooked by offices. It was quite small. We had a lot of difficulty getting confirmation of the necessary passwords for self-check-in.
This was an Airbnb. Even thought we booked as an apartment through bookings.com. Keys and access were terrible. They required a deposit of £300 before they would even give us the codes. No keys, just codes. The codes were complex and different for the door off the street to the door to the room.
The check-in process is archaic. £250 damage deposit has to be paid up front and ID for everyone staying has to be emailed in advance, even though nobody ever checked the ID. Very inconvenient check-in.
This property is keyless entry. 2 codes are sent to you upon check-in time. One is for the door to the front of the building and the other is to your apartment door. This was convenient during my stay as the codes remained in my phone and I didn't have to worry about keeping
Checking in was
track of
difficult. First they said there will be somebody to meet us when we arrived, between 1900 hours to 2000 hours, but there was nobody there. Then they sent us an email while we were on the plane to London and we did not have internet.